Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wooden massager is probably one of the most versatile and effective self-massage tools available today, offering a natural and sustainable way to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote relaxation without the need for expensive spa treatments or professional massage therapists. And in this video, we will explore the top-rated wooden massage rollers on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Liitrton Wooden Roller. This is the Liitrton Wooden Roller, a convenient and effective way to massage your muscles. It's made from smooth, natural wood and designed for comfortable use. It's crafted from durable, natural wood, ensuring a smooth, burr-free surface that won't scratch your skin. The strong metal rod ensures smooth rolling action. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply detach the ends, rinse with water, and reassemble. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for travel. Use it for warm-ups, cool-downs, or anytime you need muscle relief. It helps improve circulation, reduce soreness, and increase flexibility. With 9 rotating rollers and a non-slip handle, it's easy to target various muscle groups, from shoulders and back to legs and feet. It's great for athletes and anyone needing muscle relaxation. Whether you're an athlete, a massage therapist, or simply want to relax your muscles, this roller is perfect for you. It also makes a great gift for friends and family. What we like? It features multiple rotating massage balls for a thorough treatment. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or on-the-go use. Plus, it's easy to clean, ensuring hygiene. If you're always on the move and need a convenient massage tool, this is for you. What people say? It works really well. It rolls easier than the bars and molds to my hip or leg better to hit the spots I need. I walk 7 to 10 miles a day for work. My legs get so tight and achy. This muscle roller takes care of that. It really gets those knotty muscles loose. It's good quality. Smooth rotations. No sharp or rough spots either. Seems to be great quality. Number 4. Wood Massage Roller. This handcrafted roller is designed to provide a deeply relaxing massage experience. Its smooth, polished wood beads glide effortlessly across your skin. Made from durable beech wood, it features 36 large beads for targeted massage. The beads provide a soothing pressure to relieve tension. It has an adjustable nylon rope, so you can customize the length to suit your height and reach any area of your body easily. Use it on your back, neck, shoulders, legs, anywhere you need relief. It helps improve circulation and relieve muscle pain. Its portable size makes it ideal for travel or use at home or the office. Keep it handy for quick and effective pain relief. We stand behind our product. If you experience any quality issues within 30 days, we'll replace it or offer a full refund. What we like? This massager boasts an adjustable length to perfectly fit your body. It's designed to massage your entire body, targeting various pressure points. The strong rope ensures long-lasting use. If you need a versatile massager that reaches all areas, this is the one for you. What people say? Rolls out as advertised. Easy to use, effective and versatile. It has only been a couple of weeks, but I think that I am seeing improvement. This product is great for your all-over body and definitely to help with your lymphatic massages. Number 3. Gaiam Relax Roller. Experience soothing relief with our new massage roller. Its 10 independently rolling balls target deep tissue, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. It's perfectly designed to fit comfortably in your hand, allowing for easy and precise control. Enjoy a relaxing massage anytime, anywhere. This handheld massager helps to reduce tightness and ease tension in your back, neck, feet, and more. Say goodbye to muscle soreness. It effectively targets larger muscle groups, providing deep tissue massage to relieve pain and promote healing. Experience the benefits of a professional massage at home. Relaxation is key to a healthy lifestyle. This massager helps decrease muscle tension, reduce anxiety, and improve your overall well-being. Unwind and rejuvenate. Whether you're targeting your back, legs, or arms, it provides a comfortable and effective massage. It's the perfect addition to your self-care routine. What we like? It has multiple independently rolling massage balls that provide a deep tissue massage. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, reducing hand fatigue. It effectively targets larger muscle groups. If you want a deep, relaxing massage without hand strain, this is ideal. What people say. Only firm massage on the outside and inner area of my upper arm could take out the tension, making it hard to move my right upper arm in all directions. Maybe I have poor ergonomics. Regardless, this is so helpful to give a very firm and slow rolling down on my upper arm. The right is the worst, but I do both. Also, my left hamstring was giving me trouble yesterday, and I am using this to roller over the area behind my thigh to the back of the knee and then the calf to the back of the knee, never pushing hard on the back of the knee. Then, I am rollering over the top of the thigh too. It is pretty easy to use and feels good. Number 2. Guasha wood stick. This is more than just a massage tool, it's crafted from high-quality natural wood, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience for your skin. It boasts a 58 cm length with 20 smooth, durable trigger point balls. The pressure is easily adjustable to suit your needs, making it perfect for self-massage. Developed with physical therapists in mind, it helps with myofascial release, improves circulation, and reduces pain and stiffness. It's your personal therapist in a stick. Use it on your neck, back, legs, anywhere that needs some soothing relief. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. Give the gift of relaxation and well-being this year. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We stand behind our product. If there are any quality issues within a year, we'll happily replace it or offer a full refund. Contact us anytime. What we like. This massager features 20 trigger point balls for precise massage. Made from high-quality wood, it's smooth and durable. It's specifically designed for lymphatic drainage. If you are looking for a targeted massage and lymphatic drainage, this is a great option. What people say. The quality of this massage tool is outstanding. I use it with a nice massage oil and get great results. It works great on achy muscles. I also used it with warming massage oil. Perfect. It works great. It's strong and made from wood, but a bit heavy. Overall, it's very effective and durable. Number 1. Wood Therapy Kit. This kit contains everything you need for a relaxing and effective massage. It's perfect for targeting specific areas and improving circulation. Made from smooth, high-quality wood, it's designed for comfortable use on your skin. The hand-carved details ensure a gentle yet effective massage. This kit's unique design helps to sculpt and tone your body. Use it on your legs, arms, and other areas to improve muscle definition. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can enjoy a massage anytime, anywhere. Take it to the gym, office, or even on vacation. Whether you're an athlete, office worker, or simply want to relax, this kit is perfect for you. It also makes a great gift for friends and family. Order your Wood Therapy Kit now and start enjoying the benefits of regular massage. Improve your circulation and muscle definition with ease. What we like. This 2-in-1 tool offers both rolling and scraping massage. Its length allows for a full back massage. It's lightweight and easy to carry. If you want a versatile and portable tool for a full body massage, this is perfect for you. What people say. Like that the handle is one piece. Solid wood. Very sturdy. Works well to massage my legs. Made from good solid maple wood. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.